healthy garden does not need constant fertilizers or expensive products. It needs recycled nutrients, balanced minerals, and active soil life. When we return organic matter properly and combine it with natural mineral sources, the soil begins to rebuild itself from within. Microbes multiply, structure improves, and nutrients release slowly instead of washing away. In this video, we'll talk about 4 ancient garden methods using ripped vegetables, compost, eggshells, charcoal, and turmeric powders to create best environment for your garden. Method number 1, layered vegetable and ash soil rebuilder. This method turns garden waste into a nutrient engine beneath the soil surface. It improves structure, activates microbes, balances minerals, and prepares the bed for strong root growth without chemical fertilizers. First of all, we will clean the bed from weeds and stones. Then loosen only the top layer of soil to improve oxygen flow, without disturbing deeper soil life. Next, we will collect overgrown or unused vegetables. And chop them into small pieces to speed up decomposition and prevent odors. We will spread this chopped material directly onto the soil surface as a fresh nitrogen-rich layer. Then we will chop tougher leaves and skins, and lay them on top to balance the layer and maintain airflow. After that, we will sprinkle a light layer of cooled wood ash made from untreated branches. This adds potassium for fruiting, calcium for strength, and helps balance acidity. We will then cover everything completely with normal garden soil to seal moisture and prevent pests. On top, we will spread a thin layer of compost or well-rotted manure to introduce active microbes. Finally, we will leave the bed undisturbed for 3 to 4 weeks while decomposition happens underground and the soil transforms into a dark, crumbly living system ready for planting. Method number 2, wood ash mineral solution with turmeric support. This method returns valuable minerals back to the soil in a gentle, plant-available form. It improves mineral balance, supports root strength, and enhances the soil environment without overwhelming it. We start by burning clean, untreated wood to collect mineral-rich ash. About 300 grams of this ash is added to a large container. Slowly pour 1 liter of white vinegar into the ash. Bubbling shows a neutralization reaction, converting minerals into plant-available forms. The reaction partially neutralizes the ash's alkalinity. After 10 minutes, add 5 liters of water and loosely cover the container. Letting it rest for a full day. During this time, heavy particles settle, the solution stabilizes, and minerals dissolve safely in water. Next, dilute the liquid 50-50 with clean water for gentle soil application. Add a few tablespoons of turmeric powder and mix thoroughly. Turmeric acts as a mild antimicrobial and feeds beneficial microbes near the root zone. It also helps deter minor soil pests and supports overall microbial balance. When applied, the potassium and calcium strengthen flowering, fruiting, and cell structure, while turmeric improves microbial activity and root health. The liquid seeps slowly into the soil, increasing nutrient availability and enhancing soil structure over time. This mixture works gently, improving fertility without shocking plants. Apply near roots only, sparingly, and avoid acid-loving plants unless further diluted. It is not a replacement for compost or proper watering, but a supplemental treatment. Used occasionally, it strengthens plants, activates microbes, and gradually improves soil, creating a balanced environment for healthy growth. Method number 3, eggshell and charcoal mineral booster. This method supplies steady calcium, improves nutrient retention, and increases microbial life in weak soil. It works both as a slow-release soil amendment and as a liquid fertilizer that boosts plant growth naturally. First, we will dry eggshells completely and grind them into a fine powder so calcium releases gradually and evenly. Next, we will crush natural charcoal into small particles to increase surface area for nutrient holding and microbial activity. Then we will mix the eggshell powder and crushed charcoal thoroughly with decomposed manure or mature compost until everything is evenly blended. To apply it dry, we will dig shallow trenches or small holes near plant roots. Sprinkle a moderate amount of the mixture. Cover it with soil and water well. Moisture activates microbes and allows the charcoal to absorb and slowly release nutrients back to the roots. To prepare the liquid version, we will add non-chlorinated water to the same mixture. Stir well and let it sit loosely covered for 24 hours. During this time, soluble nutrients move into the water while charcoal becomes biologically active. Before applying, we will lightly moisten the soil. Then pour the liquid evenly around plants or across the bed. Repeating this every 10 to 15 days strengthens root systems, improves soil structure, and gradually turns poor soil into living, fertile ground.